Last episode, you reshaped frames with pivot and melt, clean, rectangular, every cell where it should be. But real data isn't clean. It shows up with holes punched in it, and columns a model literally cannot read. This episode, the 3 moves that turn raw frames into features. Impute the gaps, encode the categories, scale the numbers. Picture a data frame with 4 columns: age, income, tenure, region. Now somebody spills coffee on it. Random cells go blank, 16 age is gone, 24 incomes, 10 tenures. df asna.sum counts the holes per column. You can't model around what you can't see, so first you measure the damage. To fill a numeric hole, you need one number to stand in. The mean is tempting, but 1 billionaire drags it sideways. The median doesn't care. It's the middle value, robust to outliers. So fill na with the column median. Ages gaps become 44.5. Incomes become 58,000. Every hole sealed with a number the rest of the column agrees with. Now the category problem. The column bar region holds north, south, east words. A model multiplies and sums. It can't multiply north. So pd.getDummies splits one text column into 3 0 or 1 columns. Region east, region north, region south. Each row lights exactly 1. Words become numbers without inventing a fake ordering. Last move, scale. Income runs in tens of thousands. The dummy columns are 0 or 1. Leave that and income's sheer size shouts over everything. Standardize it, subtract the mean, divide by the standard deviation. Now income z is centered at 0 with spread 1, sitting on the same footing as every other feature. Clean, then engineer. Here's the program. See default RNG7. Build 200 rows of age, income, tenure, region. Then deliberately punch nans into 3 columns at fixed fractions: 8, 12, 5%. So the damage is reproducible to the cell. First, df.asnatsum, the missingness count per column. Then the medians, computed only on the 3 numeric columns. We hold on to those medians because in real code, you'd reuse the training medians on test data. Never ref it. Fillna, medians, seals every hole, and the assert confirms 0 nans remain. Then pd.getDummies on region expands 1 column into 3. Print the columns, 6 now where there were 4. The engineered feature, standardize income, grab its mean and its population standard deviation, then income zo, income, mean, std. By construction, the result has mean 0 and standard deviation 1. The print confirms it to 4 decimals. Run it. 16 missing ages, 24 incomes, 10 tenures. Medians 44.5, 58,888, 60. Income's real mean is 58,207. After scaling, income z runs from minus 3.45 to plus 2.6. And the reproducer check. Rebuild the frame from the same seed. Recount the nans O identical. Same holes, same fills every run. The pipeline is deterministic end to end. That's the whole feature recipe. Impute the gaps, encode the words, scale the numbers. In that order, every time. The features make the model. Next episode, we stop wrangling and start seeing the anatomy of a Matplotlib figure, fig, axes, and the artists that draw on them.